When you're talking about medium, actually, it's already all around you. How did I involve in this miniature work, the miniature artwork? It happened masa saya baru habis diploma, which is masa tu tahun 2016 tak silap saya. Sementara saya nak tunggu untuk permohonan degree ataupun kemasukan degree tu, I got like few months of me time. Thinking, what can I do? What is it that I'm good at? That I can actually make money from it. I saw this a very cute miniature toast. I still remember that was the moment, like people say, and love at first sight. But no, I actually obsessed at first sight. Masa mula-mula saya start during my buat miniature ni kan, alright. Saya punya point of view, apa yang saya boleh guna, the things that I have right now, untuk dijadikan bahan makanan tu. I go for material hunt at kedai-kedai macam kedai-kedai aquarium. Pelik kan bunyi kan? Tapi di situ actually banyak bahan-bahan material yang actually it's like a hidden gem. Your point of view matters when you you nak develop something else, like because food ni ada banyak variety and there's a lot of texture, so you have to always look around you and think, what can I do with this kind of texture? What can I do with this kind of material? Where I look at my material, I biasanya tengok material according to my surrounding juga. If you ask that, I don't have the specific time frame. Macam mana, like kalau ni berapa hari, ni berapa hari. It depends on what kind of food that I make. If let's say I'm doing everything from scratch, it may take like a week just to to study. Kalau you tengok nasi lemak ni kan, okay, you can see, kalau let's say lah, right, saya tak pernah lagi buat nasi lemak punya menu. So, I have to start from scratch. Tak boleh buat terus macam tu. Ada eksperimen, dia ada testing, dia tengok dari segi colour, okay ke tak apa semua. Already have like the mold and already make it, already like dah pernah buat lah benda ni, just tinggal nak bergabungkan untuk menjadikan dish yang lain. Probably it takes like 3 days. I always look at the texture of that food, okay? You tengok colour dia, you tengok macam mana, apa bahan makanan, you look at that. And then you try to implement that all the element inside your art. Kita ni di Malaysia ni, we have like a lot of different culture kan, and food ni dia memain peranan, there is this connection between us. Kita dibesarkan dengan pelbagai jenis dish which yang memorable, yang iconic, yang kayaknya bukan kita saja makan makanan tu, tetapi the whole Malaysian know that food. So I believe that by implementing our culture punya cuisine, also preserve our punya I can help to promote our punya culture, our punya local dish. The skeptical thing, I feel a little bit kurang dihargai and undervalue when someone complains about my price of my work. I spent 6 years making that. You think apa harga? RM5? It's okay. My price is not about your budget, it's about my talent. I respect all of them. We lain-lain orang lain lah perspektif masing-masing. So you know it's okay. There's a lot of misconception. I even felt embarrassed. I don't want anyone to know that what I'm doing right now. The thing that kept me going is the vision inside my head. I'm not letting anybody's opinions get through to me. There's a reason why I felt making this. Other reason kenapa I strongly believe that this is the right path for me, because this is my true happiness. It's more apa. I don't want my life just to stuck in one thing. There's gotta be more from it. So that motivates me to do more.